A little about myself. That's always a very difficult question for me because I don't think I've ever had one particular thing that I've always been interested in. And that was very hard for me growing up in this particular culture because, you know, you have to have this one thing that you're passionate about, this one thing that you have to do when you grow up. And for me, I didn't quite find it. In fact, like when I was younger, I thought I wanted to be a writer. And I'm still interested in doing that. But as I grew older, I decided, well, my interests diversified instead of like going one particular direction. And I found myself interested in all kinds of creative forms. Currently work as a senior barista at American Coffee Roasters. It's not exactly the opposite of what I studied. I wanted to do something that I was passionate about, something that didn't involve sitting behind a desk for me, because I'm quite an active person. And for me, that particular thing was coffee. That kind of fused together all of my passions, which was, I work in an environment where I'm constantly meeting people who have the same interests as I do. And also a lot of opportunities come my way, so it's not always the work that I do behind the bar. It's also getting opportunities there, like networking in there with people who have the same passions that I do. I did try a desk job. I tried a bit of marketing and tried to fuse my creative writing and all of that into it. But I needed to be active, I needed to be up and about, I needed to meet people every single day, I needed new things. I do often get the question, like, why are you not doing what you studied? And I always tell them I don't feel like I particularly need to. I'm very happy where I'm at. It doesn't matter what you do, if you work hard at it, and if you're passionate, if you're ambitious. It's just about finding the right people, finding the right opportunities to do what you love doing. You could be financially stable and still be able to do what you love doing. I think we live in a very great time right now because everything is pretty much at your fingertips. A lot of what I do, I mean, majority of it's working behind a bar, but a lot of it's also knowledge. And that you can access just online, and that's a huge part of my job right now because a lot of theory is also involved. So I think technology is quite a fundamental aspect for anything, really. No job is a small job, so do what you love doing and encourage everyone else to do what they love doing as well.
أريد